unboxing videos. So yeah, that was my daughter behind the camera, like usual. This is I'm gonna do an unboxing of this wireless vacuum cleaner. It's called JohnnyVac JV222. It has a brush, an extension, and then the little unit on top. It's relatively cheap, around $200 Canadian. I bought it from Economax, and I bought it for my truck because I need something compact but powerful enough to help me clean up the truck. So let's get into it. You have a manual right here, parts, accessories, so on and so forth. And then when you open the box, you can see everything laid out here. This right here, it's the unit itself. Has a little cellophane protection, power button, VAC 222 cordless, 22 volts lithium battery. We'll plug right here.
Should we charge it?
We're gonna take a look. Okay, so you have to push on this little button and then twist it a little bit to the side to open it. This is the filter. You have the pulling power in here. You can also open this to access and clean the filters.
Neat.
Twist them around, take them out. Yeah, HEPA filter, small one, and then the big coarse filter, and this is where the air goes in. It sucks it through there and then it goes in. Okay, let's put this back. Okay. Twist it back, good. Now you have one extension tube. I will not be using this tube too much. I don't really need it because I'm going to be working in a very tight space in the truck, so I don't really need this extension. But for home use, it's good. You have these neat little brushes to get into very tight spaces.
Can I touch them? I want to see if they're soft.
So you can use it without the brush, or you have a button here on the side that you have to push on both sides, and then it should go down and become a brush. It should, but it's not. Let's see why. Oh, that's why. So this little attachment comes off, then you do like this and it becomes a brush, and you
I want to touch
can
it.
brush with it.
Sort of soft. It's a little bit stiff though.
It has to be a little bit coarse. Soft is not good enough for carpets. If it's
For
too
me,
soft.
it's good enough.
So let me put this back here. This. Right here, you can see the battery.
Whoa, that's huge.
Well, it has to be big because it's a lot of voltage and power to run a motor. It's a different story from a phone. You just click it in here and then press the power button.
That's noisy.
It's working.
That's noisy.
It's good enough. It's good. It's a vacuum cleaner. What do you expect?
Yeah. I'm sure that in the future.
This here is a wall mount. You can put it somewhere on the wall, and then you can just hang this on it somehow. I don't know exactly how. I'll do this, and it stays in there.
That's neat.
So it's easy to stack if you want to put it away. It doesn't take up a lot of space. Let's see what we have in this small box.
Oh, it's poured.
This is the adapter for charging the vacuum cleaner.
Thankfully, you have a plug in your thing.
Yeah. And this is the other main attraction. It's the brush. It's a motorized brush that you can plug into the vacuum cleaner, and it also sweeps the floor when you're doing your stuff. You can plug it right into the vacuum cleaner like this. How do you activate the brush? That's a good question. You press again on the power button and then the brush starts working. You also have a little bit of a light here. So
we're in the dark?
Yeah, you can see what you're doing with it, right? You go like this, in the truck, all around your chair. This is actually really neat.
Thank you for cleaning my room, Daddy.
Yeah. So it's really good. You have to press twice on the power button to engage the brush. This will be really, really, really handy on the truck with all the dirt that you get in there.
Yep.
Sand and small stones and stuff. You sweep them up and take them in here. And we have one more thing left here.
What is it?
So the screws for the wall mount, and you also have a bracket. The bracket, it's supposed to keep this thing in place. Just goes everything in place. So this will be all. Thank you very much for following another one of my episodes with my unboxings. I hope this is helpful for you. It's a really cool little gadget, and instead of spending way more money on a Dyson, I just got this guy, and it's gonna get the job done for what I need. So thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.
Bye.
My wife stole it from me.